Let's discuss the causes for the First War of Independence, which is also known as the Revolt of 1857. The anger among the people against British Raj arose due to many causes. The very first cause is political. Erosion of Nawab's power. Since the middle of 18th century, the Indian rulers, Nawabs or Rajas, had lost their power, authority, incomes, as well as honor. Discourtesy to the Mughal emperor. The company planned to bring the Mughal dynasty to an end. Even the name of Mughal king was removed from the coins. The descendants of the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah II were given orders by Lord Dalhousie to vacate Red Fort, and in 1856, Bahadur Shah II was declared as the last Mughal emperor. Treatment meted out to Nana Sahib. Nana Sahib, the adopted son of Peshwa Bajirao II, asked the company that he should be given the pension when his father died. The company refused to accept his request. Doctrine of lapse. The doctrine of lapse further added fuel to the fire when Lord Dalhousie annexed many states. This doctrine did not permit the hireless native rulers to adopt a hire without the permission of the company. Many Indian rulers tried to negotiate with the East India Company to protect their interest, their states, but failed. Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi requested the company to recognize her adopted son as the heir to the kingdom after the death of her husband, but the company did not accept her request. The important states which come victim to this doctrine were Satara, Nagpur, Jhansi, Sambhalpur, and Udaipur. The Indian prince now realized that their territories were not safe. Annexation of Awadh. Awadh was annexed. Awadh was captured by Lord Dalhousie on the basis of maladministration. Many of the nobles, officials, soldiers became jobless. This incident caused great anger among the sepoys, among the soldiers, as most of them came from Awadh.